Hi guys, I'm just quickly showing you how I make this fondant roses for my cupcakes. First of all, I'm using a silicone mold from my baking supply store in our area, and then I'm adding some edible glitter before I put the fondant in the mold. That way it actually sticks to the fondant much better because you're literally squashing it into the fondant. Then I squash it all the way down, making sure that I'm putting fondant in all the little dips and areas in the fondant. I'm scraping off the excess with my thumb, but it's the way I do it. It's easier for me that way. And then I am just going to neaten up the sides, and then easy peasy, you just turn it over and pop it out. I normally air dry it for like 24 hours. You can do it longer or shorter if you're in a hot area. These roses can be painted as well with edible paint that you get also from your local supply shops. And there it is, voila, glitter included. Enjoy!